Multileaders have taken over from the old quick leader command. However, if you still type quick leader as in QLEADER and press enter, you will still get the quick leader command. However, it's not available on any of the ribbon panels. So I'm just going to hit escape there. I'm going to go to my annotate tab here on the ribbon, and when you get to the annotate tab, what you'll find is there's text, dimensions, but there's also a leaders panel. Now if I go here to creating leaders, you've got a multi-leader style manager, similar to your text style manager and so on, line type manager, all that sort of thing. Now I've already got a style set up there, leaders 1, so I'm going to go to modify. If you wanted to create a new one, you've got the new button there. Let's go to modify though and see how this is set up. So let's go to leader format first. Leader format, I've got a straight leader, which is here. The color is by layer, so it's adopting the leader's layer color. Line type, by layer. Line weight, by layer. So I'm using that by layer option. The arrowhead symbol, closed field arrowhead, 3.5 millimeters on my millimeter drawing, and the break size there is 5. So the break is this bit up here. There's a little break if you have multi-line text, for example. Now if I go to the leader structure here, maximum leader points I've got 2. First point there, at the end of the arrowhead. Second point is at the crank there. Automatically include a landing, so that's that little horizontal line there behind the word tag. And the landing distance is 7.5 millimeters in this case. Now, content. This is where it gets interesting. Multi-leader type I can set to either multi-line text, so that will give me my default text. I'll type that in when I place the leader. Or I can put a block in there. Now if you use a block, these are already built into AutoCAD, and they're blocks with attributes. So if I select the circle, like that, it will allow me to place a bubble on the end of my leader with a tag number in it. And that tag number there, tag num, is the actual attribute of the block. So I'll leave that as it is and OK it. So what happens now when I draw a leader using my leader style? Well, let's make leaders 1 the current leader style. So let's set current there and close. And what I'm going to do now is place some leaders. So there's the multi-leader command on the leaders panel. Click on multi-leader. It says specify arrowhead location. Going to use the center snap there. Left click, drag upwards like so, left click again, and there's my leader with my bubble waiting for my tag number. So AutoCAD is now prompting me for a tag number. So if I now put 1 in there, like so, and press enter, there's my bubble with my tag number in it. If I go back to the style now though, and modify it, and change the content tab to mtext, and then OK that, and then close, the bubble remains. It's not like dimension styles, for example, where they update. So if I now do a leader and go from this center here and come up here like that, it now prompts me for some text by going into the multi-line text command. See the text editor comes up on the ribbon there? So I'm now going to put in there widget. So that's a widget there. So I'll just close now and close the text editor, and there's my multi-line text instead of my tag number bubble. Now the good thing is with multi-leaders, I can add a leader. So if I click add leader now and select a multi-leader, I'll select this one here. I can add another leader line, let's say to that center there, and then press enter. So you can see that they are both widgets. Yeah? Let's add another one now. Say multi-leader, and I'll drop one in over here, like so, and press enter. Now the good thing is I can remove them as well. So if I'm not happy with one, I can remove a leader, select the widget multi-leader like so, specify the leader to remove, let's say that one, right click, enter to finish, job done, it's removed. Now what I can also do is if I've got lots of leaders, let's say I place some more leaders here, I'm going to remove this widget one, like so. I'm going to go back to my style, like so, and I'm going to change that back to the block in the content tab. So I've got my tag number there. And what I'll do, I'll place 3 multi-leaders. So I'm going to go 1 there, and that'll be number 2, because we've got 1 up there. And I'll place another multi-leader here, up there, and that'll be 3, like so. And then 1 more multi-leader here, like so, and that'll be 4. So there's my bubbles there, but look, I can align them. If I align them all, so if I select 1, 2, 3, and right click, multi-leader here to align to. Let's align to number 2 there. Align them all across, and they're all aligned with number 2. I can also collect them. So I select here and select my multi-leaders. 1, 2, 3. Right click to confirm, and look, they are collected multi-leaders. All the bubbles on the one multi-leader line, like so. So you can see there, it's very easy to work with multi-leaders. Just go into your multi-leader style and set up a decent style like leaders 1 there. I'll go into modify there. Set your leader format, leader structure and content. OK it. Set it as your current style. And off you go. All the tools are there on the ribbon. So you've got multi-leader, add leader, remove leader, align and collect. So the leaders can be basically collated on the drawing in the appropriate fashion so that you have clean, neat and tidy leader lines on your drawing.